What's up, Raza? My name is Ivan Chavez. I'm from Phoenix, Arizona, born and raised. My dream goal within the next 6-7 years is to become a cardiologist or a family doctor. Three things that are unique about me is I got a hell of a sweet tooth. So if I see some choco flan or some German chocolate cake, I know it's gonna be a good night. I haven't missed one weekend in which I've had an ice cold root beer, because that's my favorite drink in the world. And of course, I'm a ride or die Cowboys fan. The most exciting thing that I did over break was to fire up that PlayStation and play my cousins from Mexico without worrying about homework. Something that I do look forward to in this class is to just look up some mental tools specifically for long-term habits in regards to my physical activity. Recently, I've started doing push-ups at night, but I feel that I need a mental shift, in which allows me to incorporate more activities in order to pursue a longer term resolution. Otherwise, I'll easily get bored. But other than that, I do look forward to working with y'all. And adios.